got a chance to put the rest of the stuff together last night, so took the car out for a drive. It's driving really good. No leaking coolant. Really happy about that. So let me show you what we got. Okay, so we got all new hoses on here. Just transfer the clamps over from that. Yeah, if you see right down there, you can see that plastic pointer here. That's for the tension of the belt. So got a new Phoebe, that's an aftermarket belt tensioner, so replace that. The nut over here that I was having trouble with, I got a new part for that too. And so this one tensioned right up, no problem. And as you start to tension it, it'll move that little pointer from the small side of the triangle over to the big side. So that way I know it's good. And so with the belt on here, there's no squealing. It's really good to have that sorted. Since everything's working really good, I got the shroud back on. Yep, filled up the coolant. And now there's still muck in there, but it's a matter of cleaning it out. I probably just need to get a garden hose or something, spray it out. Nothing new is getting added to the coolant. So when I was going to replace the tensioner and the hoses here, and then that's when I noticed that the coolant that came out of it was great. It was nice and clear. I mean, it looked like it should. So yeah, here's some of the parts. So this is the new water pump I put in there. So these are the old parts over here. So there's you know, the old cap is all blown or whatever. Thermostat was just probably trash. Oil filler cap. The gas cap actually was not holding pressure, so failed emissions because of that. I had to get a new one. But yeah, here's the parts with the tensioner, and yeah, you can see how bad, because the oil leak got it really nasty there. But here's the part that was having the problem, and this is just so stripped that the nut won't even go on there, and you have to turn it counterclockwise to get it to go through the threading, but just not working. And then I replaced the dampener too. So the dampener that goes to the belt tensioner. So yeah, car's looking really good. Now it's just a matter of enjoying it for a while, and then I'll get the valve cover gaskets changed to get rid of all the oil that we have. And so yep, there's still a bunch of oil dripping, so we'll get that next.